Welcome to the Insurance Agents and Brokers Podcast.
Hello and welcome to the audio version of Claire-ification. My name is Claire Pantaloni and I am the VP of Advocacy at IA&B. Claire-ification is a bi-monthly guidance column in Primary Agent Magazine. The question posed for the June 2023 column is, one of our staff had an altercation at a concert. Can this impact his license? And the answer is, not necessarily, but to avoid making things worse, certain actions need to be taken quickly if the producer is charged as a result of the incident. If the producer is charged, the first thing to do is to report the charges to the insurance regulator promptly, when it happens, and again later at license renewal time. So how soon to report, and why not wait to see if there is a conviction? In our 3 states, the producer licensing statute requires producers to report charges of criminal conduct to the insurance department within 30 days of being charged. Please note that it does not say convicted. The producer will then follow up with additional documentation as it becomes available, including a copy of the criminal complaint, information or indictment, a copy of the order resulting from a pretrial hearing, if any, a report of the final disposition of the charges. What about license renewal? When the license comes up for renewal, the producer will need to answer yes to the background questions included in the application, even if he already reported the charges when they happened. How often does this occur? Well, insurance regulators have told IA&B that they continue to see a fair amount of license renewal applications with the wrong answer. In Pennsylvania, in particular, the department has partnered with JNet, which is the Justice Network, so they will be notified of criminal conduct as soon as charges are filed. In other words, if you fail to report the charges, the department will find out, but because you did not report them, you will be in violation of the producer licensing law. If you should have any questions, you can reach me at clairep@iab4me.com or 717-918-9202. That is all for this month's Claire-ification. Thank you for listening.
Insurance Agents and Brokers is the premier resource and champion for independent insurance agencies in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Delaware. For more information, visit iab4me.com. This is not a legal opinion and should not be relied upon as such. It is to provide general background regarding the topics discussed, not to provide legal advice. Producers and agencies should consult an attorney regarding specific situations and questions with respect to the topics covered. Neither IA&B or any of its employees shall be responsible for any errors or omissions regarding any statements, nor any statutes, regulations, court rules, and/or government documents cited.